This is an interpretation of the poem Two Fusiliers by Robert Graves. The first sentence is, and have we done with war at last? This is Robert being very happy and he can't believe that the war is finally over. Well, we've been lucky devils both, and there's no need of pledge or oath to bind our lovely friendship fast by firmer stuff, close bound enough. This means that they don't need anything to prove their friendship with. They already have a very closely bound friendship. By wire and wood and stake we are bound, by fricord and by festibord, by whipping rain, by the sun's glare, by all the misery and loud sound, by a spring day, by Picard day. This is a story of the war, and it is very tragically described. The next sentence is, show me the two so closely bound. This again proves how closely bound they are and how good their friendship is. As we by the wet bound of blood. This means that they've become even better friends because they've seen each other at their worst, when their friends have died, and so on. By friendship blossoming from mud, by death we faced him, and we found beauty in death. In dead men breathe. They seem, in this part of the poem, they seem very happy to die for their country and die for their people back in England. Another thing is that the D is capitalized, and this personifies the death and gives death more character.